Hello my gardening family, welcome and welcome back to another gardening with Stacey. Today I'll be heading out. I'll be trying to get some marigolds to put in my garden, and if I see anything else I might like or want, so I'll be teleporting out of here. Catch me over there. What Alright, so I'm here at Hope Gardens. I'm at the plant nursery, so I'm just going to get me some marigolds and I'm just going to take a look around. These are curtains. So I only have my eyes on the marigolds. That's what I really want. These are not bushy and nice at all. I am disappointed. I was expecting that because it's the plant nursery that I'll be coming to get some bushy plants, some bushy marigold. It seemed like it's better just so wait until mines grow. I wanted to get them until mines grow, but based on the looks of things, I'm not sure. I really am not sure. So as well I just wait until mines grow. Good afternoon. Hello. My mulberry that is now producing, this is where I got it. But the other one that is not producing, the new one, I don't know. I purchased it off of TikTok. No, when I see these papaya, I feel like to get one, you know. I feel like to get a papaya, believe you me, because of how my papaya is behaving with me right now. But then, how you know is a female one. You're going to choose when you choose. Oh my word, I don't like that. What is this? What is this? I have no idea. I know this is guava. Guava. These look like apple. Otaite. Apple. So pretty. This is a nice little area to relax. I couldn't help but notice this little beauty right here. It's just stashed away in this beautiful little corner. This is my type of relaxing, guys. Yeah. Have a seat and relax and take in this baby. So guys, I did actually choose 4 of these. I missed a clip that I did when I got home, so this is me gonna plant them out now. So guys, I just randomly picked some locations. I'm just going to quickly put them in. I am so exhausted. Alright, that should do. I'm putting another one right here. I'll bring up the camera. Focus. Please focus. Not focusing. Let me come a little further off. Still not focused. Alright, that's better. Always pain my heart, you know, when I have to plant stuff, because then some of my wiggly worms, they feel the brunt of it. Alright, so just 2 more and we're done. That wasn't so bad. That wasn't so bad. And I was going to leave it for in the morning, God's willing. Not bad at all. It's almost done. Almost finished. Alright. Boy, it's a pain to see my wiggly worms like this, you know, man. But I can't help it. I can't help it. This is so pretty. The last one, I am going to put it right here. Honestly, I'm not too sure about this last one, but I just need to get it in the soil. As when I say I'm not too sure, I mean like if I should put it here. I'm going to put it there nevertheless. The mosquitoes are coming out. Oh, I'm feeling the bites. It gone back a little too much. I wanted it to come forward. Alright, that look better now. Alright. Alright, that should be good. Alright guys, take care and walk good. Bye for now.